Thanksgiving round the corner, I have been given strict instructions of no elaborate fare, no roast turkey, and no trimmings. Keep it simple. However, nobody said anything about a roast chicken, and we have a lot to be thankful for. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we take maple and chili and create the most fantastic roast chicken. Into a roasting pan goes in about 100 grams of leeks cut into large batons, along with about 200 grams of carrots, just forming the bed along with nearly 100 ml of water so that you keep the chicken nice and moist. Just let this settle on the side and let's get to marinating the chicken. I'm keeping this crude and rustic but highly flavorful. So the first marination gets a sprinkling of sea salt on top into the cavity as well, along with some freshly milled pepper. So nearly a teaspoon of pepper scattered on top, along with a large chunk of it in. Just throw it all in because you want the flavor to come right from in out. Now we're going to take one orange, just squeeze the juice in and throw the entire bit in. Rustic, right? But flavorful and sharp, very autumnal and very Thanksgiving in nature. So squeeze it and just throw the pit in and it holds your bird really well. While we allow the chicken to marinate for just about 10 minutes, into a bowl you take about nearly 30 to 40 ml of extra virgin olive oil. If you want to go dairy, go right ahead and use it. The rind of that one orange that we squeezed in. About 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, just so that it's sharp, flavorful and very intense. 2 to 3 tablespoons of smoked red paprika. You want that lovely smokiness to transcend, with nearly a tablespoon of red chili powder. Any brand works perfectly well. Into that now goes some sea salt, about half a teaspoonful. And finally, all you need to add is some good old-fashioned Canadian maple syrup. Put that in, nearly about 1/4 cup. And we're just going to emulsify all this together, giving it that beautiful burgundy or burnt red in color emulsion. Look at that, how pretty it is. This is a real messy affair, but really the end result is worth it. As this emulsifies to the thickest of slurries, this goes right on top of the chicken now. So you put your hand in and play with your food, form that bond, lift the skin up and put this in between so that it flavors the meat right inside. I'm super excited about this because this gives that beautiful red color to the entire chicken and spices it up really well. A perfect roast to enjoy. Lift the chicken up, and even if there's any marinade that's at the base, don't worry, you can pour it into the pot. Nestle it on the carrot and the leeks so that it has all the flavor and all that marinated juice goes into the entire liquid. Quite messy, I told you earlier, but perfect for a fantastic roast. Olive oil is going to help moisten the chicken up, so any leftover marinade, just slather it on top, giving it that beautiful color, and let it slip into the base, creating the perfect gravy as well. Into a preheated oven this goes at 200 degrees Celsius for just about 40 minutes till the flavors are perfect and the color is that luscious, beautiful auburn brown. With the chicken roasting in the oven, into a cast iron pan, I've taken about 15 ml of toasted sesame oil, and I'm just going to put some baby potatoes that have been boiled so that they get nice and crunchy and crisp up. Allow this to cook on the slowest possible simmer, absorbing that sesame goodness for a good 15 minutes with a sprinkling of some pink peppercorn, sea salt. Just allow this to saute away. 3 minutes in, the pink peppercorn, sea salt has flavored the potatoes really well, giving it that perfect crunch, but you want it to get a subtle golden brown. And into that goes in about 150 grams of haricot beans that have just been blanched so that it mixes in, crunches up a little bit and flavors the entire perfect side. Into this, we're going to add 1 red bell pepper charred on an open flame and juliennated, and and 1 yellow pepper charred on a naked flame and juliennated as well. Just allow all this to saute on the slowest possible simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and while the potatoes have absorbed all the smokiness and the sweetness of the bell peppers, it's time to just garnish this with a fine sprinkle of some finely chopped curly parsley and switch off the flame. The perfect side is ready. "45 minutes of roasting this, and I wanted it to burnish slightly. No plating because, like I said, no elaborate fanfare. A simple, stylish meal ready. Now the maple chili scents are truly unique, and what a stylish, simple meal to enjoy with the family. True to the essence of Thanksgiving, but not really there. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Simple, stylish, clean ingredients coming together in perfect harmony. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Have a great Thanksgiving. Stay safe, stay blessed always.